Happy anniversary, Mommy.
Daddy.
Love you.
Love you too. It's our 11th anniversary. Yay!
And forever.
Forever. Hi guys! So, today we are going to have our staycation.
Excited.
Where? There! You know, there lang. There lang po. Yung malapit lang na hotel dito sa aming bahay.
And a hotel called Sri Lamdu.
Yeah, Sri Lamduan. Lamduan is a kind of flower here in Sisaket. The symbol of Sisaket is the Lamduan flower. So let's visit the Sri Lamduan Hotel. So let us see kung pwede naming i-recommend ang hotel na ito. Oh yeah, it's a hotel and resort. Let's see kung pwede nating i-recommend ang hotel na ito for you, for the tourist. And when you are visiting our province, Sisaket. So we are going to celebrate our 11th year anniversary. Yay! And these two guys are so excited. What did you have? What did you bring?
Of course, my stuff,
Uh-oh.
my phone, my chargers, sleeping clothes,
And how about you, Faye?
and of course,
Just the same, but I bring Kurumi.
May see your Kurumi?
Here.
Let's see. Ay, naka-seatbelt pala si Kurumi. Aba nga naman. Oh, sige, let's see. Bye! See you guys later!
Guys, later.
So, in 10 minutes, we're gonna be there in Sri Lamduan Hotel. This is the Ubon Road. So, just go straight. And this is the PTT. PTT is a very big company here in Thailand. Gas company.
and
7-Eleven company. Okay, let's see. It's just very close to our house. And we found out that there is a swimming pool there. Yes.
It's still summer.
Still summer, so it's good to go swimming.
Yeah, I hope the water's not hot.
Maybe there's a bathtub.
Let's see inside.
Toilet first.
Toilet first.
So you're gonna visit the toilet first.
Always.
As always.
If no bathtub.
Never mind. We went to so many hotels with no bathtub.
Yeah, it's okay. Our bathtub is the swimming pool.
Yeah. You're right.
Oh, ito. And then here in cockpit, we're gonna turn left.
Picture.
There you go. Yan ang maraming sign. Sri Lamduan. And then there's a railway here.
Last night, and we, bam, there we go.
There we go. Ayan ang railway. And then we're gonna turn left again. In 5 minutes lang pala eh, kaya. Oh.
Last.
Last
And
turn.
then last turn. We're gonna turn right this time. There you go.
So much.
Check in muna tayo, no?
But we already booked, so.
Okay.
Can you park
What time is it na ba? 2 o'clock ang
Can
check-in
you park
time.
it?
I think so, dida. Yeah. Closer. Ayan. Here you go. This is the Sri Lamduan Hotel.
Very luxury.
Very luxury? Not really enough. It's just nice. Nice view. Here.
What's actually
Very rich.
Okay. So let's have a tour later. There you go. Ayan.
It's so hot. can't really see.
Oh.
It's good for swimming. But you need to cut it off.
Wow, daming nagsiswim.
Swimming now.
Let's go, let's go. Go in.
Again. Try swimming now.
Let's have a tour.
Hello.
Hello. We're checking in. So we need to wait. I don't know how many floors are they. I can only see one.
Let's see. Are you excited?
Yeah. I'm excited to swim too.
Mm.
Hey. But someone's already swimming, so never mind. We can still swim.
Oh my.
But we need to take off our shoes. But I didn't wear. I wear sandals.
Let's
I
see.
don't know what I really want.
It's not hot.
Test later.
Yes. Okay, let's look. Mommy is checking in. Putting some Pipirma na raw ako. Saan ako pipirma? Here.
I think you're only supposed to get like
Signature.
the green one. The green one.
Oh, no bathtub!
Oh man.
It's okay.
Oh, are we sleeping here?
I told you our bathtub
You want?
is...
I want sleeping here.
Ate wants to sleep
Careful, you might fall, I bet.
My bed.
I'm sleeping with mom.
My bed.
Wow, you got a bed.
Oh, check.
I didn't bring my blanket. Oh.
Oh yeah, why you didn't bring blanket?
Let's see the pool.
Darn it.
Woo!
We're on the 3rd floor.
Right?
Oh, we're on the bed.
Let's go. Close.
ชั้น3เหรอ
ชั้น3.
There's additional breakfast. Additional payment.
Yay,
for
Pepe
Ate.
got free breakfast.
Yes. And Ate needs to pay 120.
Yes.
You guys paid.
No, we're free.
We're free.
It's included here.
No.
Wow, that's not bad, nah?
Wow.
Is that dog getting here?
No. Let's go.
1306.
Next.
Here.
Next here. There's something. Yes.
Okay.
Oh, you
Wow.
Let's see. Open.
lights.
No, why the lights?
Hi. So because it's our anniversary, we have our cake. Yes, Swenson's cake.
Yeah.
And these two guys will guess what flavor of our cake. There are 2 flavors. So what will you get?
Chocolate.
Two flavors. Chocolate and
Macadamia.
macadamia. How about you, Faye? Alexis?
Still the same though.
No.
It's
Chocolate
and vanilla.
for daddy. Okay, how about you, Ate?
I have no guesses already.
Oh, chocolate and chocolate and
Vanilla. The
vanilla. Chocolate and vanilla.
The cake.
Okay, let's see who's the winner. Open.
I can't.
Open.
never melts.
Open.
Happiness never melts.
Yeah.
Let's see sinong panalo sa
Tatlo.
tatlo.
Ayaw makuha.
Ayaw mabuksan.
Ayaw ipamigay. Ayaw ipakain.
Got it.
Don't make.
Don't ano. Hi, another ice cream We have ice cream. So let's see what's flavor. What's your guess?
Macadamia.
Macadamia.
Chocolate.
What's your guess?
Oh, Daddy took my guess already.
Chocolate. You say?
Macadamia.
Vanilla. Okay, let's see.
Macadamia.
It's in Pasa Thai, ate, so you read it.
Oh, I know it's
Let's see, let's see.
อะไรเนี่ย กิน ชี
What is it?
crunchy
Huh?
or something. I don't know what this is. Is this a salad or salad? Crunchy. Crunchy?
Crunchy?
Open it.
Oh, I know. Ah, sige, open nyo nga. Who got the correct answer?
Chocolate.
It's chocolate. So, Daddy, what's your guess? Chocolate. You got kung.
It's peanut.
Peanut. Crunchy peanut and chocolate mixed together.
Peanut butter.
Yee! Allah!
Peanut butter.
Ay,
Yes.
you don't like peanut butter.
There's no bubble.
Okay, another flavor of the ice cream. What's your guess?
Macadamia.
What's your guess?
Chocolate.
Macadamia for Faye? Daddy?
Tea.
Tea. Ate? Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Okay.
I want chocolate.
Let's open.
Let's open.
AC.
So what is AMAC?
Macadamia.
Macadamia. Who got the correct answer? Ah, Faye Faye.
Yan na. Yan na. Macadamia.
Yan na.
Nadali na ni Macadamia. Yan. Yan, bagyo.
Okay.
Just tasting it.
So let's go down and have lunch. Okay,
Which
let's
one
go,
are
let's
we
go.
going to
Which
bring?
one are we going to bring?
Macadamia.
Oh, you're not excited with the peanut butter?
I don't like peanut butter.
Wow, let's see later. It's aloy na. Mommy chose it because it's a new one. So let's put it in the fridge muna. Yan, punong-puno ang fridge natin ah.
Room
Go.
service.
Happy anniversary, Mommy.
Daddy.
Love you.
Happy too. It's our 11th anniversary. Yay!
Forever.
Forever.